All right, this is James. Welcome here. I'm about to do a review on my Gravely ZTX 42. I don't had it about a year and a half now. We run it pretty good. We got about 583 hours on it, and I'm gonna let y'all know the ins and outs of it. Check it out. All right, I'm doing a review on my Gravely ZTX 42. We're right at 583 hours on there. The mower has lights on the front. The cut height goes up to 4.5. I got a mulch kit on there, so it don't throw the grass all on the house. So I had to take that chute off there. We do a lot of residential mowing. Go around here to the side. It got a USB plug in it, so you can plug your phone up. Got a cup holder. Got a little thing you can stick your phone in right here. You can hold your phone down in there. I change the oil every 40 hours or so. I change the air filter. I do that about twice a month, depending on if it's in season or not. This is my second season with this mower. The oil drain plug, it comes with this little plastic drain plug. I do not recommend that. I recommend that y'all swap that out to something like this, because that plastic drain plug had broke off on the mower, and I had to take it to the shop to get them to fix it. But other than that, this mower's been holding up pretty good. I'm having a little issue with the right transmission on this side. It's doing like a lot of whining and stuff, like losing the power on the side sometimes, like losing control. But I got another transmission ordered. Transmission about $600 to replace it. But other than that, it's a good mower, man. A good thing I tell you about the maintenance on the equipment, you always go over everything on there, especially like the bolts and stuff. Because like these right here, they're governed, like pushing the control arms down. So if you can see it right in there, they're on both sides. Sometimes they come loose, and it's just like with anything, if you continue using it, and the bolts start to loosen up a little bit. But just go over your equipment, man. Just keep it maintenance. Make sure stuff ain't loose. Just like with down here, like the bolt right there, and it's another one that goes to the deck. Doing to all that mowing, going back and forth. Some of them on the wheel. Okay, I'll deal with it. Sometimes those bolts come out, and then your deck start wobbling, and you're gonna get a very uneven cut. And like right here, the brake, got to make sure that you're checking that too, because a lot of times it'll strip that brake out. Like I say, proper maintenance to take care of your equipment, you won't have no issues out of it. But certain things you can't control. But other than that, I recommend this mower to anybody that's thinking about getting a mower. Like I said, I use it a lot, and it's a good mower. But this is James. Welcome. Thank y'all for watching.